Hi friends, it's me Reshna, your computer science teacher. In the previous sections we were discussing about the types of programming languages or the types of computer languages. We know the computer languages can be classified into five. That is, first one machine language, second one assembly language, third one high level language, fourth generation language, and fifth one fifth generation language. We have discussed about the machine language, the assembly language, and the high level language in a detailed way. We know that machine language is the only one language that can be understood by the computer, and it consists of only ones and zeros. Machine language depends on the hardware structure of the computer. We know that for computers the hardware structure may vary from one another. That is, the hardware structure of one computer may not be the same for another computer. Since the machine language depends on the hardware structure of the computer, the program which is written in machine language for a computer may not run on another computer with a different hardware structure. So, it's a drawback of machine language program. Another disadvantage of the machine level language is that it is not easy to learn. Okay, it consists of only ones and zeros and it completely depends on the hardware structure of the computer. If someone want to learn the machine language, first he must thorough with the computer hardware structure. Then only he can understand the machine language programs. Okay. So, it's not easy to learn the machine language. Even though the machine language is the only one language that a computer can understand, it is not easy to learn and make a program in machine language. So, we humans created the other four languages, the assembly language, high level language, fourth generation language, and fifth generation language. Still, our computer knows only machine level language. We created the other four languages. So, any program that is written in any of these four languages, that is assembly language to fifth generation language, okay, then these programs cannot be understood by the computer, and we have to translate these programs which are written in these languages, these four languages, into machine level language so that the computer can understand the program or understand the instructions and respond to it. Okay, so for this, for translating our languages or translating our programs into machine language, we are using translator programs. So, any program written in assembly language, high level language, or fourth generation language or fifth generation language must be translated into machine level language by using a translator program. In the previous sessions, we have discussed about the assembly language and high level language in a detailed way. It consists of some English letters and mathematical symbols like plus, minus, percentage, etc. So, we have to translate these symbols and these letters into ones and zeros. That is the machine level language. In this section, we are discussing about the language translators which are used to translate these programs into our machine level language. Okay. The high level language programs need to be translated into machine language by using language translators like interpreter or compiler. Okay. These translators are known as language processors. For example, if you are considering a high level language program, I am denoting it as HLL, high level language program. So it's a high level language program. Okay. Then our translator translate it into machine level language program. Okay. Machine level language program. It consists of only ones and zeros. Okay. Okay, let's consider an example for adding two numbers. Okay, a program for adding two numbers. It may be consist of a number of instructions. Okay, that it consists of a 3 lines of instructions. Okay, and these instructions are written in high level language. Okay, high level language instruction number 1 is this. High level language instruction 2 is this. The third line is an instruction written in high level language. Okay, so all these 3 lines are lines of instructions are written in high level language. Okay, but our computer cannot understand the high level language, so we can use a translator. It can be either a interpreter or a compiler. Okay, this interpreter or compiler convert this high level language program instruction lines into some machine level language programs. Okay, machine language program instructions. Okay, this is the concept of translator. Okay. In the next session, we are discussing more in detail about the interpreter and compiler. Okay, bye bye.